We're going to loosen the intake pipe. If you're running a snorkel, be sure to loosen the snorkel. And then we're going to undo the fasteners that are bolting the OE housing to the engine bay. Remove that, remove the MAF sensor, put it in the XLC200K, but we'll show you step by step. Let's get started. Remove the MAF sensor by taking the screws out. The earlier models of the 200 actually have inserts. These ones don't, they've just got normal screws. So just a Phillips head. Set that aside. Move your old housing out of the way. Now time to assemble the XLC200K using the supplied brackets and fasteners. So that's the top bracket. Now it's time to assemble the bottom bracket. The fasteners do come with spring washers, so there's no need to over tension it. Fit the element. Be sure that when you fit the element that it's got an even seal. It is a snug fit, so be sure that it's even all the way around. Add the cover. And fit the MAF sensor. Now it's time to go back in the vehicle. Line up the holes of the isolators and fit with the M6 40 bolts supplied with spring washer and washer. Now to connect the intake pipe to the outlet of the cover. Now it's time to tighten your clamps. First starting with the outlet on the housing. Be sure to check that it's aligned properly. Connect the MAF sensor and screw on the restriction indicator.